How to use proxy apps. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Hustler's Kingdom Movement. If this is your very first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I do release new video here every day. So in this video today, I'm going to be talking about how to use proxy app. A lot of you have been hearing about proxy. So proxy apps are very many, right? We have super proxy, we have Kisnobi, we have there are very many. There are lots you can use, but there are still some that are very good, right? But today we're going to be talking about how to use super proxy, right? Super proxy app is one of the proxy app that we can use, right? So let's move straight to our Play Store, right? Okay, so now I'm in my Play Store. What I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be typing super proxy. Super proxy. So you can see over here from my end here is showing open, right? Because I've already installed the app. Yours is going to be showing install just like this one up here, right? But mine is showing open. So but first of all, let's check on their features to see how it is, right? So these are the app is. You can see. So that's the functions of the app, right? So straight up, I'm going to be opening the app, right? And I'm going to be clicking on add proxy. Sorry that I have to block some things, right? So I already have these proxy apps that I already want to use, right? So let's see how to go about it. So now I'm going to So these are the proxy app, right? Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to pick this one, right? Let's see if it's going to work out, right? So I want to teach you guys how to be able to do it because a lot of people have been asking how to use that. So you can see, I will copy it, right? I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to come to this place here, right? And I will leave the new profile just as the way it is. I will leave this socks 5. Let me show you guys here. Leave the new profile, leave the socks 5. Then come down to saver here, right? And paste this, right? And paste this. So if you paste it, this is what you're going to do. You are going to cut this up. Cut this out in a very simple way, right? You're going to cut this out, right? After this dot, the number after this double dot, let me show you the number after this double dot here. After the number, that's what you're going to do. So I will cut it out, right? And clean up the double dot, right? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm coming to the port. I also paste it, right? And after the double dot, so everything you're going to be doing, it's going to be after the double dot. Are you hearing me? So that's the port, right? So I'm going to copy this and cut it, right? Cancel that. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click on here, right? Authentication method. Then I'm going to choose on username and password over here. Look at it, username and password, right? So choose username and password, right? So you come to the username and paste this, right? So after the double dot, you cut it off, right? And cancel the double dot. You come to the password and paste the last one. Are you seeing it? So the username is showing incorrect, so that means this is not going to work, right? It's not going to work because the IP is either the username is not correct or something like that. But this is how to fix it, right? So I'm still going to be picking another one. Let's do it again, right? So practice make perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go back, right? And I'm going to click on here. This is where you're going to click on add proxy.
here, look at it, add proxy. So click on it, leave the new profile, leave the SOCKS 5 because SOCKS 5 IP we're going to be using. Then you come to saver, right? And let's use this, right? Let's use this. Let's copy the second one and let's see if that's gonna work. So I've copied the second one now, right? So in a simple way, you paste everything, right? So as you can see, our first double dot is here, right? So from the double dot, after the double dot, you are going to copy it to the end and cut out, right? Cancel the double dot, come to the port, paste it again, right? So after the double dots here, right, you are going to copy it, cut it off, cancel the double dot. Then you can see it's already saying connection to be specified, port was refused. Then I dropped this yesterday, so some of them might have expired already. So this is how to use it in the rightful way, right? So you come to authentication method here and choose password, username and password here. Are you seeing it? Username and password. Then you come to the username and impute those words, and after the double dot you cut out, cancel the double dot, and also paste. Are you seeing it? Paste. Are you seeing it? And you are done. Then you click on save here, right? Save. So you can see it has saved. And if you want to start the connection, you have to click here, this start button, right? So if I click the start button, if it's connected, it's going to be showing at the top here that is reading, but for now this is not connected, right? So but I already have my own IP that I'm using, right? So I'm going to be connecting it so that you will see. But then I'm going to close my my proxy, because that's for 1 month sub, right? So now this is not working because the IP address has already expired, but I'm going to be using mine, right? So watch out and see. I'm going to be connecting it now. You can see it's connected already and it's moving. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like my video, comment, contribute, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do release new video here every day. Do come back and check, and I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Shout out to you guys. God bless you all.